When we click the play button here on the top, our elements will be naturally drawn inside the canvas. But what if we want one of the elements to react differently? Let's take for example the little monster here. We can change his properties and the animation type to move in. It will move inside the canvas, and according to the direction we put here, it can come from the top, the bottom, the right or left, or from those corners here. Let's say it will come from the left. The time and all the settings will be kept the same as they are. So let's click that change button. After that, we click the play button here and see what happened. So the little monster came from the left of our canvas. What if we want to make it do the move in action but in a different way? Then we will click that plus and minus icon to make it, for example, bounce in. Let's play that again. You see the hand bouncing, or we can make it, let me double click on the element. We can make it go too far inside our canvas, as you can see. So moving in is one of the actions or the options we can do to our elements to make them react in a different way rather than being drawn naturally inside the canvas.